Okay, so let's get started, right? Thank you all for joining. I'm sorry, I know this is kind of around lunchtime in India, and this is around 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. for me over here. I need to kind of finish this off before before start of my work day, right? So that is why like I scheduled around this time, so I don't want to miss this kind of opportunity to provide an experience, learning experience to you all, right? So I thought of this is the best opportunity, like coming couple of weeks or something, so that we can start learning in tune, right? So today I don't have any presentation. Okay, I think you can see my screen. If you are able to see my screen, please say yes.
Yes.
Okay, cool. So
Definitely.
so as I mentioned in yesterday's meeting that we are starting free Intune training. So this is from the basics, right? How to take a trial subscription of Intune, and how to configure it, right? How to log into the Intune portal for the first time, right? So I'm doing this in front of you live, right? I have not tested this since last I don't know 6 months or so, right? So this is the live scenario you are going to see, right? So I don't know how many of you have gone through this quick start guide from Microsoft, right? This is to get started with Intune, right? So if you go down over here, right? I'm not going to explain what is Intune because that is already covered in yesterday's meeting, and we will be sharing the recording. But to give you a little background about Intune, right? It is basically a SaaS solution, so you don't need to build any server infrastructure for it. So these the like Intune is a cloud service, and it is all the server infrastructure are managed by Microsoft, right? So so that is all about Intune. Intune is basically what we can call it as a cloud version of SCCM, right? When I started writing about Intune, that was my favorite sentence, right? Intune is cloud version of SCCM, but it's not same. It's not. It is ideally it's both are device management technologies, right? So Intune is used for device management, and SCCM is also used for device management. Okay, so um, and to be fair, right, SCCM is not going to die soon, and Microsoft is not going to stop SCCM development. Okay, so there are a lot of developers working on SCCM currently within Microsoft. So you don't need to worry whether the SCCM will die or die someday, and you will we all going to lose our jobs or something like that. But my suggestion is learn new things, right? Learn Intune. It will be better for your future, right? So that is what I'm trying to do in this series. Okay, this is the first episode. Okay, I think I didn't introduce myself, right? I don't know how many of you are joining this for the first time, right? uh, so my name is Anub. I'm a Microsoft MVP since 2015. Okay, so this is my fifth. I completed 5 years. This is my sixth year as Microsoft MVP. So let's get started, right? Uh, so in this first episode, right, we will try to finish subscribing to Intune trial version if that is possible at all, right? So what I'm going to do is basically I'm going to go through this particular portal. This is a Microsoft Docs portal, right? Docs website, and over here you can see like what are the prerequisites to get Intune trial version, right? So while I as a general training thing, right? I normally what I normally do is, if you can do some homework, right, if you get time, you can try to get a trial version today after this training, right? And probably you can try something along with me tomorrow or day after, right, whenever you get time, right, after finishing the session. You can try the same things with your trial tenant, if that is possible, right? That would be a great learning pattern, right, if we can follow. Okay, so I know you all are busy and we are all working, so you might not get time, but probably some of you are working from home, and probably you can have half a day or half an hour every day because of this some call. I don't know. Somebody is calling me from Teams. That's great. Okay. Anyways, I forgot where we were. Okay, so I was discussing, like, yeah, we are in a situation now and we have enough time, not enough time but some extra time, because we are trying to avoid our office travels, right? So probably we can take half an hour to try this once this today's training is finished, right? So let's go through it, right? So as I mentioned, Intune is a device management solution, and it can manage all kind of devices, right? Apple devices, Android devices, Windows devices, right? Okay, so how to get Intune trial version? Okay, so let me kind of, I don't know hmm, how to increase the font size. Ooh, wow, my PC is also behaving odd. Let me do this way. Okay. Hopefully you can see the screen till.
Yeah, now it's perfect.
Okay, so let's go to the Intune Trial Pro page, right? So let's go to that. Let me let me open a different portal here. So I need to put my country over here. I don't know what I put. I normally put India, but I don't have mobile. Probably it will ask mobile number. That is why I'm trying to put. So I don't know how many of you have already gone through this. So how to business phone number. I will stop sharing this, and I will come back, because otherwise, like, it will be there in the recording as well. Where is it? I'm trying to remember my phone number and then trying to copy it. Give me a sec. Okay, so let's. I think I'm fine with sharing my phone number with you all. Anyways, like, that's fine. Where is it? Where is the portal? Yeah. Okay, so hope you are able to see the screen, right? So I'm saying this. These are the details I put across in the trial version, right? So let's click next, and it's asking me to provide the username. So I will say how to manage devices. If you can mute yourself if you're not speaking, and then over here I need to provide a information. So what is that information? If I click on that, so you will say like this is your organization name, right? So you need to put organization name over here. So let me change it to admin over here, and my organization name is probably I can put how to manage devices, right? I know it's a bit lengthy. What I normally do is I normally copy all these details into Notepad and save it for easy copy paste purpose, right? On Microsoft.com. I know you are not able to see that the my Notepad screen. That's fine. I think I'm just copying the details into that. Okay, so I got that trial version over here that is available. How to manage devices dot on Microsoft.com is available. So if I want to do something else, right? If I want to take Anoop, then probably it's not available. Maybe it won't be available. I don't know. Yeah, see, it's not available, right? So this should be a unique name. So nobody should have taken this name, right? So that is why like how to manage devices was not taken yet. So probably we can use that name. Okay. So let's create a password. I hope you are not able to see the password. Okay. Anyways. I hope I will remember the password later. Okay, so I entered the password. Then I need to click on this. I would like to enter the partners. I don't want to do that. Just create an application, right? Create an account, right? So click on this, and again it is asking me to provide my mobile number. This is bit okay. That's fine. Let's text. Let me wait for the text message. Okay. Yeah, I got the text message. Let me put that in over here. It's 567739. Okay, so let's click next, and I'm proving myself as not robot. I don't know how to pronounce that. Okay. Um, Okay, so finishing your sign up. So I'm trying to sign up for Intune trial. So that is what we are doing now. And Firefox is superior due to the social networking from tracking. Okay, thank you, Firefox. Okay, um, so as you can see, my user ID is this one, right? So I normally copy this to Notepad or what is that called? New one, right? Um, OneNote, right? So I normally copy it to OneNote or Notepad so that like it won't get missed later, right? So let's click on you are ready to go, right? And see what is going to happen. I'm expecting some challenges here. New challenges, chill solution. Scroll and join Microsoft Build. Okay, I don't want to join Microsoft Build. Where is it? Okay, so and let's go back over here and see what is over here. Most of the IT professional can the country region. Okay, we have completed this. We have completed this. Now it's asking me to sign into endpoint.microsoft.com, right? So what I'm going to do is, and I'm going to log into endpoint.microsoft. If I can spell it correctly, Microsoft.com. Endpoint.microsoft.com. This is Intune portal or Endpoint Manager portal, right? So let's see what is happening over here. Which ID it is getting logged in. Okay. Cool. So as you can see, I'm logged in with the my new tenant, right? So which I just created, right? So as you can see, this is a new tenant, admin at the rate how to manage devices dot Microsoft on Microsoft.com, right? So that is my new tenant. One thing I wanted to check, I don't know whether that will this will work or not. Let's see. Okay, so this is working. So I can see active Azure Active Directory users, devices, and all, right? So initially, what I do is I normally create a new user, right? So I will create a new user in my subscription, new subscription. So probably I will say Jitesh, right? Jitesh at the rate how to manage devices or devices dot on Microsoft.com. Okay, Jitesh, and first name is just Jitesh. I Okay, that's fine. Auto generate password, and let me auto generate password. Okay, I don't want to show you all the password, right? So let's stop sharing, and come back.
I will check my password with you.
Okay, so I have copied that, and um I'm just coming back and uh sharing the screen. Where is it? Where is the sharing option? Okay, cool. So are you guys able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
this is a pure cloud scenario, right? So this is a pure cloud scenario. We are not talking about that syncing the devices or user IDs, user identities from on-prem. So we are over here in this training. We are talking only about the cloud scenario, right? So where we will use only the cloud solutions, right? So I have created a new user for that, right? For that new tenant, right? Which I created. So if you want to see the new tenant details, right, you can see over here. Okay. Tenant details are not there, probably because this is what was my expectation. I should get this error. Hmm. Okay. So let me go to portal.azure.com and check what is happening over there, right? Okay, so maybe later, and let's see Azure Active Directory, Azure Active Directory, Azure Active Directory, Active Directory. Okay, so probably what I'm missing over here, I just got it. I feel, right. Any guesses? Okay, so let's go to Azure Active Directory and go to licenses, okay, and check what is happening over there, whether I have a Intune license or not, right? Okay, so I have an Intune license, it says, right, and one user is assigned to it, so that should be fine. And this is which license? Intune license. Why I don't have EMS license, right? So that is required free trial. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a free trial of enterprise mobility and security E5 license, right? So I don't know whether that is mentioned on in this documentation over here. Okay, confirm Intune. This we will come in a bit, right? So give me a sec. What is happening over here? Your custom name optional. Yeah, that we don't need. Custom name is not needed. So let me take that Intune. Sorry, the EMS E3, E5 licenses, right? Let's activate that. Okay, so I think successfully activated. Okay, cool. Successfully activated the licenses, but I can't see it yet over here in the licensing portal. Successfully activated few seconds ago. Okay, so let's go back and let's check the licenses again. All products. Okay, it's still not there. Fine. Let me close this and let me go back to home and see what is happening over there. Device management, devices. Okay. So I don't know, like probably this is going to take some time or not. I don't know exactly how much time it is required to have something over here, or let me try to create something.
Anup, this will take time to create Intune tenant.
Okay. Okay. So at least I can see. Thank you for that note. So at least I can see option to create profile and all, right? So before that, right, what we are going to do is we need to do something over there from Azure portal, right? So that is what we are going to do now. So confirm MDM Authority in Intune, right? So this is important, right? So tenant administration, and you go to Intune and check whether the Intune authority is set to um, sorry MDM authority is set to Intune or not, right? So that is not opening. Probably that is going to take some time, as mentioned. Okay, so other thing I wanted to check is from the Active Directory portal, right? Azure Active Directory portal. Let's see what is happening here, right? So automatic enrollment is not available at the moment because I'm not a Azure AD subscriber, right? Not at the moment. So we will wait for this tenant to get created, right? And probably it's only 2 minutes left for today's session. So we will continue this tomorrow, right? What do you think about that? Is that okay?
Absolutely fine, Anup.
Yeah, that's right.
So any questions in last 2 minutes?
Hi, Anup, this is Dheeraj. I joined just right now because of some issue in the joining the call. Will you share this recording with us so that I can go through the session again and just will be up to date till tomorrow?
Yeah, we didn't do much in the session, but anyways, I will share the recording. No issues at all.
Thank you so
Hi,
much.
hi Anup, this is Satish. Like how many days this how many days the validity will be there?
I think I don't know exactly. It's 30 days or 90 days. I don't know exactly. Anybody else knows this?
I think it's
Yeah,
30
E5
days.
is for
30.
90 days.
It's 90 days.
E5 is 90 days.
90
Yeah.
days.
Okay, cool. Thank
Thank you.
If you go onto the link, no, it says 30 days, where it
you.
says
30.
sign
Yeah,
up for
it's
a
30
Microsoft
days.
Intune free trial.
Oh, 30 days, right? Okay.
Yeah, this is Shanky. Yeah, yeah. If you go onto the link itself, it says just beneath sign up for Microsoft Intune free trial. It says it's for 30 days.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
first line,
Intune sign up is for the
the
30 days.
first line after that heading.
Oh,
The Intune sign up is 30 days. When we enable E5, it will get 90 days.
okay. Somebody muted me also. Okay, so thank you for that. uh, Thank you all for joining today. So it's 8:30, and I think it's 1 o'clock back in India. So thank you all for joining. We will continue this session tomorrow with this from the same point, right? So until that, probably if you can try to get a Intune trial subscription for you, then that would be great. And then by that time, it will be like my subscription will be ready as well, I feel. Okay. So thank you all for joining for the first day of the training, and hope this was helpful. See you tomorrow, same time, same place, right? I will send you a new invite once the Teams issue is sorted out. Now I have a Teams issue. I don't know what is that issue, but I need to sort out that, and I will send an invite after that. Thank you, folks.